Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix general alarm on DeLonghi PrimaDonna ESAM 6600. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you're having problems with your DeLonghi PrimaDonna ESAM 6600, well there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you may want to check a few things. So first is you want to check your water tank. Now, make sure your water tank is full and properly seated here. Now, if the water tank isn't aligned correctly, the machine may not detect it, which in turn, it may cause the issue itself. Now, you want to check for any blockages as well that could prevent water from flowing. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to clean your machine thoroughly as well. So, in this case, for example, the milk frother, brew unit, and the water tank here, over time, coffee residue and milk buildup can block the system. So in this case, you want to clean all those parts thoroughly or carefully. Now also run a descaling cycle. So use a descaling solution to remove mineral buildup here inside the pipes. Now another thing that you may want to do is you want to go ahead and inspect your pressure system. Now if your model has a pressure gauge here, check that the needle is in the correct position. Now if it's not, there should be an internal pressure issue. Now, you may want to also clear any blockages here. So like what I said before, you want to check the brew unit here, internal parts for coffee grounds or debris, and clean out any blockages that might be interfering with normal operation. Now, if none of this actually work, you could try resetting your machine, but only do this if you're sure that your machine here is clean or you're not sure there's no blockages in it. So in this case, you want to make sure that the temperature, pressure, and other settings are correct here, and try resetting the machine to factory settings here. So in this case, you may need to refer to your manual in order for you to see how to exactly reset this. But if resetting or cleaning it does not solve here, the last thing that you could try doing is you may want to contact support. Now, if none of this actually work, the issue could be something internal. So in that case, contacting or to contact the DeLonghi customer support here is going to be the best solution or the best next step that you could try doing here. Now, especially if your machine is fairly new and you're having this issue, they could give you for example, a voucher you could use to get this fixed, or they may be able to send someone for you to fix this yourself, or they could just give you a refund or another machine. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.